Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. A literary technique, prosody, is the study of meter, intonation, and rhythm of a poetic work. The verse form of all Old English poetry is the same. The verse unit is the single line. Rhythm is not often used to link lines in Old English. Alliteration, or beginning several words with the same word, is the organizing principle of Old English poetry. A consonant alliterates with its match, or with another consonant that makes the same sound. A vowel alliterates with any other vowel. An Old English alliterative line contains four principal stresses and is divided by a caesura, a pause, into two half lines, each containing two stresses. At least one, and sometimes both, of the stressed words in the first half line begins with the same sound as the first stressed word of the second half line. The last stressed word often is non-alliterative. Middle English words can be alliterative, though sometimes increasing the number of alliterative or stressed words, or influenced by Old French, it can be in the form of alternately stressed rhyming verse lines. Chaucer's Canterbury Tales are mainly in rhymed couplets with five stressed lines. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part.